Dear student, today's topic is mensuration from NCERT exercise 11.4. So here first question number 1, in your book it is given that question number 1, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find the surface area and in which situation volume? Question number 8, to find how much it can hold. So in question number 1a, to find how much it can hold. So in that case, to find the volume of the tank. Question number b, number of cement bag required to plaster it. So in that case, find the surface area. Number C, to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. So in that case, find the volume. Question number 2. It is given in the book, diameter of a cylinder A. There are two cylinder. One is in figure A, another is figure B. So diameter of the cylinder A is 7 centimeter and its height is 14 centimeter in the figure A. So diameter of the cylinder B is 14 centimeter and its height is 7 centimeter. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Then verify by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinder is greater volume is also the greater surface area. So there are two cylinder A and cylinder B. So first we find the volume and total surface area of the cylinder A. So in cylinder A, diameter equal to 7 centimeter, it is given in the book. So radius equal to 7 by 2 centimeter and height is equal to 14 centimeter. So volume of the cylinder, the formula is pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Here r equal to 7 by 2 and h equal to 14 centimeter height. So putting this value, pi equal to 22 by 7, r square, that is r into r, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height 14, h equal to 14. Now after calculation, 7 2 are 14, 2 11 are 22 and cut this 2 and 2. So after calculation it is 539 centimeter cube. It is the volume of the cylinder A. Now total surface area of cylinder A, the formula is, total surface area, the formula is 2 pi r into r plus h square unit. So here pi equal to 22 by 7, radius equal to 7 by 2, here already calculated. So 2 pi r into r plus h, that is 7 by 2 plus 14, h equal to 14. So 7 cut this 7 and 2, that is 22 into 7 by 2 plus 14, it is 7 plus 28 by 2. You know how to find the sum of the two fraction. So after calculation it is 385 centimeter square. So for the cylinder A, volume equal to 539 centimeter cube and total surface area equal to 385 centimeter square. Now for the cylinder B, diameter equal to 14 centimeter and height equal to 7 centimeter. So diameter equal to 14 centimeter, that is radius equal to diameter by 2, that is 14 by 2 equal to 7. So radius equal to 7 centimeter and height equal to 7 centimeter, it is given. Now volume of the cylinder B is equal to pi r square h, this is the formula. Now pi equal to 22 by 7, radius r equal to 7, so r square, that is r into r, that is 7 into 7 and height h equal to 7. So after calculation it is 1078 centimeter cube. So volume of the cylinder B is 1078 centimeter cube. Now total surface area of the cylinder B, the formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the formula to find the total surface area of a cylinder. So 2 into pi equal to 22 by 7, r equal to 7 radius, into r plus h, that is 7 plus 7, here radius and height both are 7 centimeter. So after calculation it is 616 centimeter square total surface area. So after comparison, volume of the cylinder B is greater than the volume of the cylinder A, and surface area of the cylinder B also greater than the surface area of the cylinder A. Now question number 3. In question number 3, it is given in the book, find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So base area of the cuboid is 180 centimeter square. This implies base area of the cuboid is the area of the rectangle. Base area of the cuboid is the shape of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is 180 centimeter square. And we know area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth, that is L into B equal to 180 centimeter square. So product of length and breadth is 180 centimeter square. Now volume of the cylinder is, volume of the cuboid is given 900 centimeter cube. And we know the formula, volume of the cuboid equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 900 centimeter cube. Now product of L and B is already given 180. So replace L into B by 180 centimeter square into H is equal to 900 centimeter cube. So height equal to 900 centimeter cube divided by 180 centimeter square. After division it is 5 centimeter. So centimeter cube and centimeter square, 1 centimeter is left. So H equal to 5 centimeter. So height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Now question number 4. In book it is given a cuboid is of dimension 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So in the first line it is given that for the cuboid dimensions are given length, breadth and height. So dimensions are 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. That means length equal to 60 centimeter, breadth equal to 54 centimeter, height equal to 30 centimeter. So volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, cubic unit. This is formula, cubic unit. Now length into breadth into height, so 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Now volume of the cube with side 6 centimeter is equal to 6 to the power 3 centimeter cube, that is side cube equal to side cube cubic unit. So here side equal to 6, so 6 to the power 3, 6 cube centimeter cube. Now number of cube produced is equal to volume of this cuboid divided by volume of this cube, volume of a cube. So 60 into 54 into 30 by 6 to the power 3. So 6 to the power 3 equal to 6 into 6 into 6, and numerator 60 into 54 into 30. So after calculation it is 450. So number of cubes produced is equal to 450. Thank you.